Homeowners in New Orleans know that the warm, humid climate can make keeping homes comfortable a challenge. During the hot summer months, air conditioning systems often work overtime to maintain a cool indoor temperature, which can lead to higher energy bills. One of the most effective ways to reduce these costs while improving comfort is by upgrading to energy-efficient windows. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, maintain indoor temperatures, and improve overall home efficiency. One of the main ways energy-efficient windows reduce cooling costs is by preventing heat gain. In New Orleans, where sunlight is intense and temperatures can soar, traditional single-pane windows often allow heat to penetrate the home. Energy-efficient windows use double or triple pane glass combined with insulating gas fills to create a barrier that reduces the amount of heat entering your home. This means your air conditioning system does not have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, directly lowering energy consumption and cooling costs. Low emissivity coatings are another important feature of energy-efficient windows. These coatings reflect infrared and ultraviolet light while still allowing visible light to enter. By reflecting the sun's heat, low-E glass keeps indoor spaces cooler without blocking natural light. For New Orleans homeowners, this means rooms stay bright and inviting without the added burden on cooling systems. Proper installation is essential to maximize the energy-saving benefits of these windows. Gaps or poor seals can allow warm air to bypass the insulation, reducing the efficiency of even the most advanced windows. Professional installation ensures that windows are properly aligned, sealed, and insulated, which prevents drafts and enhances the overall energy performance of your home. Energy-efficient windows also contribute to consistent indoor temperatures. By reducing both heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter, these windows help maintain a stable environment throughout the year. Consistent temperatures reduce the frequency and intensity at which your HVAC system operates, leading to less energy use and lower cooling costs. Ventilation control is another advantage. Many energy-efficient window designs, such as casement or double-hung windows, allow homeowners to adjust airflow without compromising insulation. For example, you can open a window partially to let in fresh air during cooler evenings while minimizing heat gain from direct sunlight. This flexibility allows you to take advantage of natural ventilation while still protecting your home from excessive heat. Durability and low maintenance make energy-efficient windows even more cost-effective over time. Materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist warping, cracking, and corrosion, even in New Orleans' humid climate. Long-lasting windows maintain their insulating properties, ensuring that your home continues to benefit from lower cooling costs year after year. In addition to reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows also help protect interior furnishings. By blocking a significant portion of UV rays, these windows prevent furniture, flooring, and curtains from fading due to sunlight exposure. This preservation reduces replacement costs over time, adding another layer of financial savings. Another consideration is noise reduction. Energy-efficient windows with multiple panes and tight seals help minimize outside noise, which is particularly beneficial in urban areas of New Orleans. While this doesn't directly reduce cooling costs, it improves overall home comfort, allowing you to enjoy a more peaceful indoor environment without needing to over-rely on air conditioning for comfort. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is also a long-term investment in your home's value. Modern windows enhance curb appeal, reduce utility bills, and provide comfort that appeals to potential buyers. In New Orleans' competitive housing market, these features make homes more desirable and may increase resale value. In conclusion, energy-efficient windows are an essential upgrade for New Orleans homeowners looking to reduce cooling costs and improve indoor comfort. By preventing heat gain, maintaining stable temperatures, and providing durable insulation, these windows reduce the strain on air conditioning systems while lowering energy bills. Proper installation, quality materials, and thoughtful window selection ensure that your home stays cooler, more comfortable, and energy efficient year-round. Investing in energy-efficient windows is not only practical but also a smart way to enjoy long-term savings in a more comfortable living space.